we'll start the new topic, that is definite integration. Before understanding that in detail, we should understand the concept of definite integrals. What are definite integrals? If we have fx, a function of x, that is a continuous function of x, so there must exist phi x such that phi dash x, that is equal to fx. It means what? Phi dash x is the derivative of phi x with respect to x, right? And if phi dash is equal to fx, it means fx will be equal to the derivative of phi x with respect to x. It means what? We have to find out the phi x. For finding out phi x, we have to find out the integral of fx with respect to x, right? So definite integration matlab continuous function. So for that integral calculus, there are some fundamental theorems of integral calculus that says if fx dx with respect to x, we have to find out the integral of fx with respect to x in the interval a to b, we will get phi x b to a. And what value we'll get? We'll get phi b minus phi a. Okay, here we are not no need to of taking the constant c because it gets eliminated. How? Let's see how it gets eliminated. If we are taking this fx with respect to x, we have to find out the integral b to a. So that will be equal to phi x plus c within the interval a to b. It means what? Phi b plus c minus phi a plus c. Okay, so it will be phi b plus c minus phi a minus c plus c cancel. So what value we are getting? We are just getting phi b minus phi a. Okay, so no need to write constant of integration, that is c, because it gets eliminated. So we'll do sums based on this concept. So if we have a question 2 2 3 and the function is x to the power 4 dx, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value. So it will be x to the power 4 ka we have to find out the integral of x to the power 4 with respect to x. So what will get? X to the power 5 upon 5. So 2 to 3. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे, will write here x की जगह first of all will write 3. Okay, so we'll write 3 का power 5 upon 5 minus 2 का power 5 upon 5. So 3 ka power 5 will be 243 upon 5 and 2 ka power 5 will be 32 upon 5. So we'll get 211 divided by 5. So this will be the value. Okay. Now next question we'll do based on the same concept. 0 to 1, 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5 dx. So it will be log of 2x plus 5 b2 it's 1 to 0 to 1 na? Okay, and when we are integrating 2x plus 5, we also have to integrate this part na. 2x plus 5 को भी integrate करें, we'll get 2 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 2 हम बाहर ले लेते हैं, then log of 2 plus 5 minus log of 0 plus 5. Okay, because x ka value will write 0. So 1 upon 2 log of 7 minus log of 5. And as we know that log of m minus log of n is equal to log of m upon n. ठीक है? So we'll apply the same formula here. It will be 1 upon 2 log of 7 upon 5. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now one more question we'll do, and in this question we have to some value we have to find out. Okay. If the answer, if the value integral is given, so you have to, if 0 to 1, okay, interval is 0 to 1, 3x square plus 2x plus a with respect to x, integral is 0. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out the value of a. Okay, how we'll do this? 0 to a. Okay, so we'll find out the value 3x square. So 3 into x to the power cube, x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 2 into x square upon 2. Why? Because 2 into x का power 1 है, तो integration करने के बाद we'll get x square upon 2. And a के साथ there is nothing, no power of x, so it will be a into x. Okay, and 0 to 1 is equal to 0. It means we cancel. Okay, so x cube plus x square plus ax. Okay, 0 to 1 is equal to 0. It means x cube मतलब 1 का cube 1 plus x square मतलब 1 का square 1 plus a into 1, that will be a, minus x का value 0, फिर तो ये this will become 0, again this will 0 0, all are 0. Okay, it means 2 plus a is equal to 0. It means a is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is the value answer. Okay, again similar sum we'll see again, where you have to find out the value of a या b. Okay, so एक question हम ऐसे ही एक और देखते हैं. If we have 0 to b, okay, 0 to b, if 4x cube dx is equal to 16, then what you have to do, you have to find out the value of a. Okay, so it will be 4 into x का power cube, x का power 3, so it will be x का power 4. We have to increase one power and divide by the same power. Okay, so b and यहाँ 0, 16, 4 cancel. Okay, so it will be x का power 4, 0 to b is equal to 16. It means b का power 4 minus 0 का power 4 will be 0 is equal to 16. It means b का power 4 will be equal to 2 का power 4. So b will be equal to 2. Okay, so this way we can find out the value of, okay, here we have to find out the value of b, not a. Okay, now okay, now something is given, you have to show something. In that case, what you'll do, if the question is a is given, if fx is given, fx is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So what you have to do, you have to show that 0 to 1 fx dx will be equal to 1 upon 6 f0 plus 4f 1 upon 2 plus f1. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, हाउ विल डू दिस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू fx dx. This is given, so we'll find out the value of 0 to 1 fx dx. That will be equal to 0 to 1 a plus bx plus cx square dx, right? Okay, so it will be equal to ax plus bx square upon 2 plus cx cube upon 3. Okay, 1 to 0, and we'll put 1. First of all, we'll put 1, so it will be a plus b upon 2 plus c upon 3. Okay, now we'll put 0. All are having x, so all will become 0. So we are getting the value. So 0 to 1 fx dx का value what we are getting? We are getting a plus b upon 2 plus c upon 3. Okay, this value we are getting. Now we have got this value for fx with respect to dx at interval 0 to 1. Now we have to find out the value of f0, f1 and f1 upon 2. So first of all, what is the value of fx? Fx is equal to a plus bx plus c x square. Okay, so f0 will be, here only we'll write f0 will be a plus 0 because 0 x का value will be 0, so b into 0 plus c into 0. Okay, so f0 का value will be 0 a, and f1 upon 2 का value will be a plus b into 1 upon 2, so b upon 2, and c into 1 upon 2 का square, तो c upon 4. Okay, so this will be the value of 1 upon 2, f1 upon 2 and f0. Now we have to find out f1 का value. f1 का value will be a plus b into 1 will be b plus c into 1 का square will be c. Okay, so f1 का value will be a plus b plus c. Now what we have to do, we have to write here, and what you have to prove, f0 plus 4 into f का power 1 upon 2. Okay, we'll write here, यहाँ पे हम लिखते हैं, okay, this way. So first of all, f 1 upon 6 f0 plus 4 f 1 upon 2 plus f1. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 upon 6 into f0 का value a plus 4 into f1 upon 2 का value. So 4 into f1 upon 2 का value a plus b upon 2 plus c upon 4. Okay, and plus f1 का value will be a plus b plus c. Okay, so 1 upon 6 into a plus 4a plus 4 into b upon 2 will be 2b plus 4 into c upon 4, so it will be c plus a plus b plus c. Okay, so how many a's are there? A 4a 5a plus 6a, 1 upon 6 into 6a plus 2b plus b 3b plus c 2c. Okay, so now what is the value of f dash x? We are getting 8. Okay, so 6 को multiply करते हैं, so it will be 1 upon 6 into 6a plus 1 upon 6 into 3b plus 1 upon 6 into 2c. Okay, it will be cancelled, it will get 2 here, we'll get 3 here. So what value we are getting? We are getting a plus b upon 2 plus c upon 3. Is it equal? Is it same? Okay, so this value, this is what this is, 1 upon 6 f0 plus 4 f1 upon 2 plus f1. So we are getting the same value, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so similar इस तरह के और भी questions रहेंगे, we can do that, and one more question we'll do based on some where we need to calculate. Okay, calculation is required ज़्यादा, like we have done in integration, we have done many questions जो कि where we have to find out the value and we have to break it into terms a square and minus x square या फिर x square minus a square के term में हमें break करना पड़ता था. So seeing in that kind of question we'll do dx upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so this type of questions हैं. So what we will do, first of all we have to break this 0 to 4. The interval is 0 to 4, and what we have to do, 1 upon, okay, या फिर dx upon ही हम लिखते हैं. Okay, and x square is there plus 2x is there. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 we can do, 3 को we can break like this. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 2. So now 0 to 4 dx upon square root of x plus 2x plus 1. Can we write x plus 1 का whole square? And plus 2 को we can write square root of 2 का whole square लिख सकते हैं. Now it has become in the term of x square root 1 upon square root of x square minus x square plus a square. So what was the formula? इसके लिए क्या formula हुआ करता था? There was some formula log. Yes, log के term में हमें लिखना पड़ता था ना. So we'll write here log of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 का whole square plus square root of 2 का whole square. Okay, and 0 to 4. So now what we have to do, we'll write in this x plus 1 plus, हमने यहाँ से शुरू किया तो we'll get x plus 1 whole square plus square root of 2 का whole square के लिए we'll get the same value x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, now कहाँ तक हमें 0 to 4 we have to find out the value. The interval is 0 to 4. So what value we'll get? We'll get log of, first of all we'll write for 4 and then 0. X is 4, so 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 5 plus square root of 4 square will be 16. 16 plus 2 into 4 will be 8. 16 plus 2 into 4 will be 8 plus 3. Okay, so what value we'll get? Okay, and minus log of this value 0 we have to put at the place of x. So log of 0 plus 1, 1 plus square root of 0, 0, 3. Okay, so it will be 3. So it will be log of 5 plus 16 plus 8 will be 16 plus 3, 19 plus 8 will be 28. Okay, no, 27. So 27 we can write, that will be 3, a cube of 3, I mean will be 27. So yes, root के अंदर है, it will be, we can write like this. Okay, and minus log of, it will be log of 1 plus square root of 3. Okay, so log of m minus log of n के लिए what we will write? Log of m upon n. So log of 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Okay, so this will be the value. Okay, now we'll do another question. If we have a question, again we have to find out the value of a. Okay, 0 to a interval is given. 2x plus 1 dx will be equal to 2. So what you have to do? You have to find out the value of a. So how we'll do this? 2x plus 1 will be integral of 2x plus 1 with respect to x. We'll get 2 into x square upon 2 plus 1 के लिए what we'll get? We'll get x, and 0 to a, that is equal to 2. So x square plus x a and z is equal to 2. So this will be, we'll put the value of a square plus a minus 0 square plus 0, that will be 0, is equal to 2. So a into a plus 1 is equal to 2. So what we can do, we can also write like this, 2 can be 1 into 1 plus 1, we can write now. So it will be equal to, a will be equal to 1. Okay, otherwise एक और भी method से we can find out the value. कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? If this is quadratic equation, okay, so in that case a square plus a minus 2 will be equal to 0. ठीक है, so then a square minus and so plus 2a minus a is minus 2 will be equal to 0. Can we write like this? A को हम 2a minus a लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so a common लिया and what value we are getting? A plus 2 minus 1 common लिया, a plus 2, that is equal to 0. So a minus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to 0. It means either a can be either a minus 1 is equal to 0 or a plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way a will be equal to 1 or a will be equal to minus 2. Okay, so these are the two solutions. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.